family.
Take it to yourself. Take the blame upon yourself. And there is a healing, there is a restoration. But what this soul
Here, David was despaired or become so sorrowful, tired of the affliction or the attempt by King Saul to ruin, to kill his life.
Ningthau Saulna David bu hatkani haina tanaba adugi marangi damak maha asiki matik thamoi warami asiki matik kibasu mangonda phawrami.
David did not raise his hands to kill or to do anything harm to King Saul.
Aduga David na ningthau Saul bu hatnabagi damakta mahana kali sukut hanba tawkhide.
King David was jealous by his father-in-law Saul because the Lord used him, and Saul became jealous, envious about the life of David.
David ki punsida isona hena sinabagi damakta mahaki makubok oiriba ningthau su oiriba Saul na mahaku asiki matik kalakpa mangonda phawrami.
It's a very familiar story, yet it's a real warning for every one of us. We should never allow envy and jealousy to take hold of us. It will come to us, but we have to pray and cast it away the spirit. Bible says that we have to rejoice to those who are rejoicing. We have to weep those who are in sorrow. Here, David was victorious, and Saul began to weep, began to become so jealous. Not only that, he wanted to destroy David.
Aduga David di asiki matik harawi, aduga Saul di asiki matik awaba do lai kalak pa khaman mana asiki matik than mami oy.
But David became so tired.
Aduga David di asiki matik hainadare so
and he wanted to run away from the presence of King Saul.
Ningthau Saul gi madak gi mahaki sen thok ning labani.
So we have just read that he will go to the foreign land, Philistines, where King Saul will not pursue him anymore.
Aduga Philistine gi maphamda da David di mahati sa thok ning labani marandi ningthau Saul na mahapu amang hana tanarak na bagi damak.
We will face problem.
Ay koi samasya thingnagani.
We will face trial.
Aduga sang daw musu thingnagani.
Until and unless we overcome, if we try to have an escape route, then surely we will meet disaster.
Aduba karigum ay koi na nanthok tanaba madugi maitong ngamna na bo honadrabani ay koi da samasya adu nang ngamlakani.
When David escaped from the hands of King Saul,
King Saul gi makunda gi David na nanthok pada.
The very passage that we have read this morning, all the children and wives of the soldiers of King David was taken away by Amalekite.
Amalekite singa ningthau David ki masa sing adu ma gi nupi sing phawal loina mak pukhibani.
And it was not possible to recover all those lost, all those has been taken captive.
Aduga pu khraba lanpha oi khraba khodimak sing ado amuk hana purakpagi asadi laikhidrabani.
But we have read just now that David recovered all.
Adu bai khoina papribaduni David na loina mak amuk hana phangki.
Because he was humbling, he was crying out to God.
Marandi isoda mahana noluk satna isoda kapsakhi.
And the Lord revealed to him how to recover all those lost, all those have been taken captive.
But
here the first message that we have to learn from this incident is that we should never run away from God's presence. If we read in Jonah chapter 1 verse 2, God commanded Jonah, arise and go to Nineveh. But he ran, he fled away from the presence of God. And he went towards Tarsus. It It's a very familiar passage for all of us.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯅꯤ
But God was following Jonah with a big storm.
ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯂꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯖꯣꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤ
And God restored him back from the midst of that terrible storm and from the belly of fish.
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯂꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯅꯥꯕꯨ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯀꯟꯈꯤ
When Jonah ran away from the presence of God,
ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯅꯥꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗ
he was a trouble to so many people who were sailing together with him.
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯤ ꯍꯣꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯈꯤ
Any boys or girls,
누빠 마사 누비 마사
or any man or woman
누빠 누비 오이베 야이
who runs away from God,
이소데기 시엔 크라바디
who openly disobey God,
아두고 이소부 다시나막 야
they don't harm themselves,
마코이 마사마 망한자가니
but they cause so much of harms to others,
아또빠 신데수 헤나 망한가니
knowingly,
칸나 칸나
deliberately.
아두고 칸나
If you go against God,
이소기 마요까 살라바디
know for certain
소이드나 막
you're
토가니
the cause of storm in your family.
아두가 나코기 이몽 만능다수 아와품다 타한가니
You're the cause of the storm in your school and college.
아두가 스쿨 아두가 콜레스다 순나코시 아와바 동네
We
누시도
see
와야니
so many storm bringer. They cause a lot of troubles to others.
아두고 아또빠 미싱다 동네 누시 아와바 뿌르빠 미 kaya marum lay
But God, in His infinite love and mercy, restore him back.
아두고 이소기 능시바가 로이나 마하고 아무 하나 한전 한비기
You and I can never escape from the hands of God.
이소기 콧다기 에코시 나토빠 칵감 로이
And if you read in Ruth chapter 1, Ruth chapter 1,
아두가 룻 기세 아한바 챕터다 파라바디
verses 1 and 2,
아두가 아빤tum 아한바 아니다
there was a priest family.
아두가 거기 부로히키 이문 만ung 아말 레이라미
His name was Elimelech.
아두가 이미멜레 가위
His wife Naomi.
아두가 마키 누피나
They were
나오니
living in the land of abundant Bethlehem.
아두가 베틀레헴 나 마랑 카이나 마코이세 레이라마
Bethlehem is called as the house of bread.
아두가 베틀레헴 하이바세 아이코기 딸기 오이바 윰니 하이라미
But there was famine.
아두고 싹당바 톡라미
God wanted them to really cry out to Him.
아두가 이소나 망원다 라우자락 한가도
And
빠니
this family, instead of crying out to Him,
이소다 라우자바기 마훈다
they fled away from Bethlehem.
아두가 베틀레헴다기 마코이 나sat키
Where did they go?
마코이 나카다이다 sat키
Where God forbid God to go.
아두가 이소나 짰가노 하이바 마파부다 sat키
They went to Moab.
아두가 모에다 sat키
And you know how that after that visited that family.
아두가 마두기 마뚱다기 이몽 아두다 시바나바 토키바도
Elimelech and his two sons were, yes, they died there in that foreign land.
아두가 이미멜렉 아마디 마사니파 아니마 아토빠 람 아두다 시키
Only when Naomi realized and came back to Bethlehem,
아두가 베틀레헴나 기안 따라파 베틀레헴다 할락파 마탐다
they
나오미나
came the restoration.
아두가 한전비바도 아묵 라키
When we run away from the presence of God,
이소기 야비바데기 나타이드나 삿라바디
when we go away from the truth knowingly,
아두가 아줌바데기 칸나 나타이라바디
you are causing trouble for your children.
나코이 나사싱나도 아와품다 타한가니
You are causing trouble for your surroundings.
아코이바다 순나한 아와바도 타한가니
A man after God's own heart.
아두가 이소기 탐모이나 팜자바 미삭
1 Samuel 14:13.
아한바 사무엘기 따라 마리기 군트라
God says, God gave a wonderful title to David.
데비타 이소나 야암나 파자바 미
A man after God's own heart.
아이기 탐모기 뚱인바니파
There were so many trials and battles in the life of David.
아두가 데빗 기쁜 시다 기짱 따오바 란팅나바 kaya marumpuki
He was a giant killer. He killed Goliath.
aduga mahakasi hingsaba asabubu hat pamisakni
But at this incident, with this story,
aduga masigi wari sidari
he could not wait for God's timing, but he escaped to the land where God forbid not to go.
aduga pumpam masidadi mahakasi isorna tapi bado ngaiba ngamdaduna isorna satkanu haiba mapam baduda David na satki
And they camped in a place called Ziklag. They were given a place to camp there.
aduga jiklek haiba mapam baduda makoina kem saki
Let us turn to 1 Samuel 30,
ahan ba Samuel gi kuntra da satminasi
verse 1.
ahan bada
Now it happened when David and his men came to Ziklag on the third day, the Amalekites had invaded the south and Ziklag and attacked Ziklag and burned it with fire. here, when David went out for battle, they came back after 3 days, and when they came, the village, their houses were all burned.
David na langking na basatki aduga numi humni matunda halakpa matamdadi makoy gi leiraba jaga sing ado mai loina mak thadok lami.
And 600 soldiers and David, they were all weeping, they were crying out.
Aduga lami satruk amadi David makoy na yamna kapki.
Suppose all of us, say teachers, all of us, we go out somewhere, we go for preaching.
Ado kali ko mai koy pumna mak azasing si ay koy na isogi wapaw sa dong amagi damang mapun mamasali hay na kalasi.
When we come back,
Ay koy na halakpada.
all our needy home compound is burned into ashes.
Aduga ay koy ginidi home academy compound sing si upul ta na loina may thadok lam na.
I know what will be your reaction and my reaction.
Aduga ay koy na kamay na pungdo kani hay koy na khang mangam loy.
But in fact, it was the hand of God.
Hoy tasin namang isogi koy ba khut yawi.
God was dealing with David to bring him back to Judah, bring him back to the land of God.
Aduga isogi koy ba lam Juda aduga David aduga purak na bagi damang ta isona.
This is not the place where you are supposed to live.
Aduga madugi mapam na lagi na mapam nati hay bani.
These are not the people which you are supposed to live together.
Missing na sinakale minagada ba missing nate.
Come back to my land.
Ay gilam na lao.
But David and others could never fathom, could never understand that dealing of God.
Aduga isona makoy da hay ba ado makoy gim lami aduga David na khanglam de.
They were all weeping and crying out to God.
Makoy na isoda kapsa ki lau zakhi.
I used to imagine if all our buildings and all our children are taken away, what will be my reaction?
Aduba ay sida lagi ba bende khudi magsing angang sing sa loy na magpukram di ay nakaram na pongdo kadagi awa ba si khangde.
Certainly I will cry out to God.
Tasing namak ay hat isoda kapsa gani.
We all cry out to God.
Hoy isoda kay punang kapsa
But
gani.
unfortunately,
Laibak ti ba di.
let us read verse 6.
Aduga padda taruk si paminasi.
Now David was greatly distressed, for the people spoke of stoning him because the soul of all the people was grieved, every man his sons and his daughters. But David centered himself in the Lord his God. Now, in that time of distress and sorrow,
Adugi awa anaba puning sonta ba miguptuda.
I don't know how many hours they prayed, they cried.
Adugo pung kaya makoy na haysay habi di khangde adugo isoda di kapsaki.
But after some time, the soldiers started trying to stone him, trying to kill him.
Matam kharagi matungda di David sina saming man patagi lamis aduna nung thona na bagida maktawki.
The soldier wanted to stone David.
Aduga lamis aduna David punung thong na batawki.
He is the man that is bringing all this disaster.
Asige awa anak khudi magsing se mana o helapani.
But David centered himself in the Lord.
Adugo David masamang isoda puning thagot sakhi.
As a father, as a mother, as a leader, we must all prepare for this.
Aduga asige da magta ay mapa amo oy na oza amo oy na mama amo oy na thaurang
Oh,
tawguda.
as a child of God, we must prepare for such eventuality.
Aduga isorgi masa amo oy na ay na asiguma asige da magta.
When we face problems,
samasya thingna bada.
there will be two reactions.
Aduga ay na mawong anida ay na pungno pa yan.
Run to God.
Isoda sanjaba ama.
Inquiring of the Lord.
Aduga isoda hangjaba.
Searching the heart.
Aduga thamoy si buddhi.
Why this casualty? Why this disaster?
Masige awa ana se kaligi thokpano.
That was what David was doing.
Masini David na tawbado.
But on the other side,
Adugo atoparom dadi.
the soldiers were blaming David.
Adugo David na tuwan man ni hay na lanising na waraw bodo.
When David needed most of their help, they were trying to destroy him.
David na makoy mataw mating do da kalay na matamdam haki mayok na makoy na lepki.
Beloved people, learn of this eternal truth.
Aduga nung si Raman misi masigi luwaman na ito ba sa
When you
tabiyo.
meet such casualty, when you meet such suffering, never blame anyone.
Aduga masigi maawa ana tawo si toko matanda mi amada na
Go
ko
to God.
isoda sa piyo.
Try to solve the problem.
Samasya adugo upay tibiyo.
God will help you.
Isoda mating pangbigan.
God will help us.
Isoda mating pangbigan
But these soldiers were trying to stone him.
Aduga David punung thongan na bagi na lanis nga na tawki.
Maybe more than the loss of the wife and children, David was so sad with the attitude of the people.
Nupi angangsing ubagi mathakta makoy aduna tarok pa hato asugi matik awaba masakni.
But he kept on inquiring of the Lord.
Adu Prabhuda mahakna tattana hangjaki.
You know, our Master Jesus was in Gethsemane,
Aduga Gethsemane akogi Prabhu Jisuna
preparing to go to God's glory.
aduga isogi matik mangal phongok na nabagidamak
And when he was praying,
mahakna haizaring
the
aida.
disciple was sleeping.
Aduga mahaki sepoksinga
He
tumlami.
said, watch and pray.
Aduga mingse thamo haizau.
You know, the most trusted disciple Peter,
Aduga khwaidagi thajaba yaba sebok Peter tu phawba.
in front of his eyes, he was telling to the crowd that I don't know this man, I don't know him.
Masigi pa ase masak khakte haina mi singa su hai
How
Peter.
painful it would have been.
Kaya di matik na bano thamoy
It would
sok.
have been so painful.
Asugi matik thamoy sok
For
pani.
the second time, said, I don't know him.
Ani subadasu anilak subadasu ay mahak khangde haiki.
I don't know him.
Mahak masak khangde haiki.
When we have to associate, when we have to take up the real burden together,
Ay ko nakarigumba polom singa se punna saruk yamin na rabali.
like these soldiers,
Masigi lani singum
like
na.
these disciples,
Mahaki sebokum na.
we wash our hands.
Aduga kuna kutsang
I don't know.
Ay khangde.
I'm not the cause.
Adu ay na maram do natte.
Because of this man,
Masigi misina ni.
this is a wicked heart.
Masi ese pattaba mo.
You fail as a group, as a family.
Garig man ako si imong manung ama oy na may tibada.
Take it to yourself.
Nakoy nasama kini
Take the blame upon yourself.
Madugi thokok to nahan na toy man.
And there is a healing, there is a restoration.
Madulagi di anaba phat biba hanjan biba
But
lakani.
what these soldiers were saying,
Adu masigi lani sin na hai
we
basidi.
will stone him to death.
Masi nung na tumaga hatok asi hai bani.
But you,
Atong tiyo.
and I will come and restore you.
Adu ka ay na lakuna nahak.
I will guide you. I will lead you.
Ay na nahapos sing bigani.
So David knew the heart of God.
Adu ka iso na David na iso ki thamoy da hai pangjaki.
That David know the heart of God.
Adu ka iso ki thamoy adu iso na David na pangjaki.
So he ran to God,
Iso da sangjan
and
jaki.
God directed him.
Adu ka mangon da iso na mai kay takpiki.
And you know, say, pursue and you will overtake, you will recover everything.
Tanaw na na sud na magpangadi mangkra ba kudi magsing hanjan gani. Atong tiyo.
And I will come and restore you.
Adu ka ay na lakuna nahak.
I will guide you. I will lead you.
Ay na nahapos sing bigani.
So David knew the heart of God.
Adu ka iso na David na iso ki thamoy da hai pangjaki.
That David know the heart of God.
Adu ka iso ki thamoy adu iso na David na pangjaki.
So he ran to God,
Iso da sangjan
and
jaki.
God directed him.
Adu ka mangon da iso na mai kay takpiki.
And you know, say, pursue and you will overtake, you will recover everything.
Tanaw na sud na magpangadi mangkra ba kudi magsing hanjan gani.